I'm going to break Unikitty and Puppycorn skateboards by making the wheels go loose.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
So guys, ready to go skateboarding?
Yes, we are little pleading.
We're also ready to show you our finest moves. Our skateboards are just right over.
I'm a pedophile.
Oh no, our skateboards are broken.
The wheels are loose. They were not like this when we left them. Who on earth would do this?
Ha 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 ha. H.
Toad, what is so funny?
Your reactions are so hysterical that guess what? I was the one that broke your skateboards. Wait a minute, did I just say that out loud? Uh-oh.
Toad, you broke our skateboards?
Yes.
You super naughty kid. How dare you did that?
You are grounded for 5 weeks. Now go to your room and stay there. Don't worry, you two. I'll get my papa to put the wheels back on your skateboards. They're now good as new. And I'll make sure Toad doesn't break them ever again. Thanks, Lil Pleaty. Now let's put on our helmets and go skateboarding.